Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting a camera timer on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the camera app. And then you want to select in the bottom right corner, should be a little icon that has multiple dots next to it. Go ahead and select that. And then there should be a stop timer. Go ahead and select that. And you can, by just clicking on it, increase it to either 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or just turn it off entirely. So pretty straightforward process on that. Then you would take the picture as normal, and that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.